What's up guys, and welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. Today the ETH ETF went live, and I actually had a note in my phone from about 18 months ago to say once the ETFs go live, we need to keep our eyes on the prize. So in today's video, we're going to do a bit of a thought experiment. We're going to find out what I'm looking for to be swapping my alts back into Bitcoin. You guys can let me know what I've missed. Let's get it. Now, like I said, we're going to have a daily lesson. Lesson of today is you can only win when your mind is stronger than your emotions. And myself and the Patreons, we were talking about this today, and we said we are the ones that are going to be making a difference in our lives, in our families' lives, in our bloodline, because all of this volatility, all of this outside noise did not affect us, guys, and we held strong, and we actually just stacked our bags even more. If you can't control your mind when we are dumping, it's going to be super hard for you guys to be controlling your mind when we are pumping, and it happens time after time. People get too greedy, their emotions take over, and they don't stick to the game plan. Now, guys, I came up with a few reasons today, technical and social reasons, as to when I'm going to be selling my ICP and why I'm going to be selling my ICP. Disclaimer, this won't apply to all of you guys, because there's some of you guys who are like 100% 8-year gang. You know me, I'm liquid gang. I don't really want to be holding my ICP or any other coin, to be honest, for that long. A lot of you guys do it to be getting the maturity. That's absolutely fine. But I didn't feel like I had enough to be getting a decent amount of maturity to be selling again, to top up my bags in the next bear market, guys. Now, the first point I'm going to be looking for in the chart to be selling my ICP is going to be when I reach my targets. And again, guys, some of you are not going to agree with it. You don't have to agree with it. You can let me know your thoughts in the comments. But when I reach my targets, I'm going to be selling for USDT, and I'm going to be looking to reaccumulate Bitcoin in the bear market, guys. So that is my strategy. That is what I've told a lot of my patrons, what we're going to be trying to aim for. So, you know, once we've made our money, the game is not finished, guys. We want to be accumulating as much Bitcoin and then as much crypto in the next bear market as possible. But the main bag is going to be a Bitcoin reaccumulation. The second thing I'm going to be looking out for is the rainbow chart. Okay, very basic stuff, but you can come to the rainbow chart, and this has been a very, very useful tool, very beginner friendly tool as well for all of you guys who are maybe not great with the charts or great with technical analysis. You can pretty much just say, like, when we do get into the yellow and orange and dark orange to red zones, it is time to sell. When we are in basically a fire sale or a buy zone, it's historically been a great time to buy, and right now it looks like we are in a great time to buy at 64k, guys. Number 3, guys, is going to be the pi cycle top. So a lot of you guys will know what the pi cycle top is, and for those who don't, the pi cycle top indicator, guys, has been pretty accurate with letting us know when it is time to sell our Bitcoin. You can see here, guys, that after every cycle, once the grey line had pierced that purple line and closed below it, it had been a great indicator to say, right, bull market is over, the top is in, and we're going to be in a year to multi-year bear market. So that is going to be another thing that we do keep a close eye on. But you can see right now, we haven't even had our first cross of the grey, meaning we should technically have quite a way to go up before we do even think about selling. We haven't even had a bullish cross check. Number 4 is going to be the volume. Okay, the volume will pick up in the peak of the bull run, and we've been checking the volume time after time on our Bitcoin charts and on our ICP charts. But for all of you guys who haven't been checking it, and if you come to this graph here, you can see that, look, in March, guys, volume was pretty much at an all-time high. We were nearly at $30 billion volume. We then topped out and had our massive crash. Altcoins are down 60-70% from that high, and now we're back in an accumulation range for the volume. There's basically no volume, guys. Now, there are many theories, guys, and the 500-day theory is another one that I'm going to be keeping my eyes on. And that is to say that we have 500 days before the true parabolic season, which is actually a slow grind up. Then we have 500 days of the alt season, guys, which is going to be just over a year. Now, some alts will run first, Ethereum will probably run first, and then the small caps will run at the later stages or the latter stages of this 500 day. But look where we are now. It looks like we are starting to pierce into the breaking of the all-time high and into the beginning of the altcoin season stage of the 500-day cycle. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys track the MACD on the smaller time frames. Do you track the macro MACD? Because that is another thing that I'm going to be keeping my eye on, guys. You can see here, once the MACD did flip bearish in 2022, it did indicate the start of a deeper correction coming in for Bitcoin, guys. Once the MACD did start to flip bullish, you can see that the bear market had been confirmed as over and our bullish uptrend has resumed. So you can see we're still in a macro uptrend on the MACD. We've still got quite a way to go up. It doesn't look like we're anywhere near to crossing this anytime soon. And remember, this is still going to be a lagging indicator, so something to bear in mind. Now, the next one's going to be a bit harder to track, guys, and that's going to be the lower high and the lower low on the weekly to monthly chart. Now we go to our Bitcoin chart, guys, and you can see the first lower high was printed in 2022, and actually the bear market started all the way here from the end of 2021. We couldn't actually see the lower low until we nearly were bottomed out, guys. So this is going to be one that we've got to be super careful with, trying to find the next lower low, because the lower low could keep going lower. But it is something that we're going to be looking for on the weekly and the monthly time frame. And then lastly, guys, the total 3 market cap at between 1.8 to 3 trillion. This has always been the target for the total 3 altcoin market cap. We stick to the plan, and anywhere in this grey box here, guys, we should have already been scaling out of our altcoins. I mean, we still haven't even broken the all-time high for our altcoins. It looks like we've got quite a long way to go. But once we do start to just pierce just below that $2 trillion market cap, I'm going to say, wow, we have doubled the previous all-time high. And maybe it's time that we should really start to think, are we becoming greedy or not? Now, guys, it's not only going to be technical, but it's going to be social as well that we do need to be tracking to view this holistically. Now, influencer view volume, okay? My views suck at the moment, guys. I'm not going to lie. In March, I got my all-time high view count. Right now, I've got more subs than ever. More of you guys have joined the family, and the views are pretty much the same, sometimes a little bit lower. Maybe my videos are shit. I don't know. Now, one thing you can do, guys, is you can go to Social Blade. You can type in your favorite, I don't know, crypto YouTuber on here, and it's going to show you all of their views, all of their stats. You can pretty much go in detail for everything. So you can see here, yesterday it says that I got, what is this, subscribers, 10 subscribers, and it's still calculating the views. Now this just actually isn't true, guys. I didn't get 5k views on Monday. I think I got like 4k. So this is a little bit off, even the money's off. However, it does give you like a rough estimate of how many views, how many subscribers people are getting. So when you do see these subscriber numbers start to like rocket, the view numbers start to rocket, then you can say, do you know what? Everybody is searching for crypto YouTube, maybe more retail in here as well. And maybe it could be time to be getting out of the market. Number 2, guys, is going to be meme coin mania, right? When the meme coins do start to come back out and everybody and your mother are buying stupid meme coins, then it's probably time to get out, guys. But I mean, there are so many meme coins. The total meme coin market cap right now is 50 billion. That is absolutely wild. Obviously, they're pretty much condensed into the top like 5 probably, but there are so many meme coins here now, guys. There are so many meme coins. It's not even loading how many meme coins there are, right? Pages, how many pages? We've got over 26 pages of meme coins. That is a lot, and you're going to start to see more of these develop. You're going to see this total market cap go up and up and up. So remember, 50 million, we can use that as a reference. The market cap is not going to be down 7%. The trading volume is not going to be down 25%. It's going to be up a stupid amount like it was over here, and that does precede a massive dump. Now the NFT comeback. This is a bit of like a, I don't know if it's ever going to come back, guys. But I was trading NFTs like a boss in the last bull run, guys. Okay, we were absolutely killing the trades. And luckily, I was one of the people that said, you know what? I just want to be getting my crypto and getting my money rather than trying to hold on to NFTs that basically have gone 90% down in value right now. So NFT comeback, that could be maybe Soul NFTs in this run. It could be base NFTs, maybe the next thing. Probably would be more likely to be base, to be honest. You've got to keep a close eye on everybody starting to flex their new profile picture that has absolutely no intrinsic value. So again, that's gonna be something that I keep my close eye on. And it's also going to be, are there any new crazes? I spelled inscriptions wrong, don't worry about that. New crazes, ordinals, inscriptions. Are there BRC20 tokens that are coming out? Is there a new token that's going to be coming out, right? What is the new NFT craze? We had metaverse, we had game gaming, we had AI. What is the next one that's coming out? That's going to be the next big thing for crypto, a new sector that's just pulled out of the sky, right? We need to be keeping a close eye on that, because when that does come out, I'm going to come back to you guys and say, hey, remember when we said, watch out for the new craze? This could mark the top. Next, mainstream media, these motherfuckers, right? These guys do not want you to win. They don't want you to make money. I want you to make money. That's why I am telling you to accumulate. I'm not telling you anything, actually. This is not financial advice. This is why I've been trying to let you guys know that the best opportunities come in the bear market. It comes when people don't want to know about crypto. It comes when coins are down 70+%, top coins with top fundamentals that it's going to take billions of dollars to be wiped out for them to fail. Guys, the mainstream media are going to get you to buy once everything's up, once Bitcoin is 6 digits, okay? That is when they're going to say, hey, guys, you should buy some Bitcoin now. Bitcoin to 1 million. Did you know Bitcoin could go to 1 million, guys? Right? Not this cycle, okay? Maybe in 2030 something, 2033, 34. Mainstream media don't want you to win. If you guys are still listening to the mainstream media, again, not getting too political with it, but if you still listen to the mainstream media and you believe everything they say, then look, there's not really much I can do to help you guys, but sooner or later, you'll become switched on and you'll realize they are full of shit. While you and I may not believe the mainstream media and you may see straight through their shit, your friends and family won't, because they haven't been listening to you for the past 3 years, right? One of my friends actually said to me, he's like, I saw your portfolio went up 500%. I'm going to get in now. If you've really made 500%, should I get in now? I'll give you money. I said to him, bro, I've been telling you for 2 years to invest, right? 2 years to invest. And now you're telling me that my portfolio's up. You want to invest. How does that make any sense? It pisses me off, guys. It really does. I've been trying to help my friends and family for ages. My family are now on it. But my friends, they're still no coiners, okay? I've probably got 3 crypto friends. The rest of them are no coiner fucks, right? Still love them though. But they're going to be coming in and they're going to say, hey, should I buy this coin? One of my friends, he bought XRP at the top of the last cycle, and I said to him, bro, the best way to be buying coins is to average in DC. And he said, nah, I'm putting the whole thing in. I said, bro, don't do that. And then he comes to me about 6 months later saying, XRP's down. I'm like, duh, you fucking idiot. Anyway, when they try and come into the market, that is when it's going to be a bit of a, maybe you should start to get out. Then lastly, Google Trends, guys. You can be Googling crypto. So let's actually go and check out a Google Trend. I wasn't even going to do this, but we may as well. Right, guys, so you can go to Google Trends and you can type in crypto, and then we can see how much crypto has been searched over the past, I don't know, how long? What is this? Past day. Forget that. Let's make this the past 12 months. So, will you look at that? At the absolute peak in March, right before our crash, crypto was at a 100 out of 100 in interest over time. Now we've had our crash and we're back technically at the floor. Crypto's at 30. Last time it was at 30 was in the bear market, guys, okay? All of here was the bear market. Crypto was down. Nobody wanted to buy it. They only want to buy when crypto's going up, and that is in line with the mainstream media pushing it down your throat. So you can do this with crypto, you can do it with ICP, you can do it with Ethereum, you can do it with shitcoins, right? But just know, the more interest there is, the closer we are to a top. And then once we've evaluated all this stuff, guys, and we've DCA'd out of the market and we've said, right, our ICP bag, thank you very much for making us some serious moolah in this bull market. When do I buy Bitcoin? Well, I'm going to be waiting around a year for the market to settle, for everybody to get absolutely wrecked, absolutely shit on. Everybody who thinks, well, this is going to be a super cycle, guys. Wait for the super cycle theory, guys. Idiots to come out of the trenches. Super cycle, we're going up forever. Once they've all got wrecked and they keep buying the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip, then we can start to analyze again. Maybe I'll make another one of these videos and say, this is what I'm looking for to get back in. Then I will use all of my ICP funds, minus tax, minus new car, minus house payments, minus all that shit, right? I'll use all the money that I have remaining to go back into Bitcoin. That's it, guys. Many of you will not like the fact that I'm not purely 8-year gang, that I am liquid gang, but the game's the game, right? I'm here to try and stack my bags over as many cycles as I can, and I do truly think that we are running out of opportunity to be making life-changing gains through altcoins. Now that the ETFs are in play, now that these big organizations, BlackRock, Grayscale, nations are having control over the majority of the supply of Bitcoin, it is going to be harder for the retail investor. So I want to be making sure that I use all of my altcoin gains to be getting as much Bitcoin as I can before crypto does truly become only about Bitcoin and then your top alts. But you guys can let me know what your plan is in the comments. All comments are welcome. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, drop me a sub. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Peace.